This kiwi yogurt cheesecake is my favorite way to celebrate even the simplest occasions. And I'm bringing you this amazing recipe today in collaboration with Zespri Kiwis and LBB. We eat kiwis by the kilo, and I'm always looking for new ways to incorporate them in our food, and what better way to do this than dessert. Start by cutting off the top and scooping out the kiwi fruit. We're going to use seeds and all because that's where all the fiber is. Blend this up till you get a smooth puree. Set the kiwi puree aside and let's start making the base. Add 120 grams muesli, 45 grams honey and 40 grams butter to a bowl. And mix this well with a spoon till all that honey and butter coats the muesli. Pour this into a springform pan and make sure that you press down hard so that all the muesli coats the base, and then freeze this for 20 to 30 minutes. We're using gelatin for this recipe. Pour gelatin over some water and let this bloom for a few minutes, then microwave for 20 seconds. Next, whip some heavy cream to hard peaks. Make sure the cream, the bowl and the blades are completely chilled because this will help you whip your cream much faster. Time to make our cream cheese mixture. Add cream cheese at room temperature to a bowl and sift some icing sugar on top. Whisk this till the cream cheese and sugar is nice and creamy and all the sugar is well combined. Add hung curd, lime juice, vanilla extract, salt and the kiwi puree to the cream cheese mixture and blend really well. I love Zespri Kiwis because they're high in vitamin C and they can actually take care of 100% of your vitamin C requirement. Add the gelatin and run a spatula around the sides to get everything together, and then use a whisk to blend this together till smooth. Finally, add all the whipped cream and very lightly fold it into the cream cheese mixture. This is what will give your cheesecake a light and airy texture. Pour this mixture in the prepared springform pan. Smoothen the top lightly with a spatula and then stick this in the refrigerator to set for about 10 to 12 hours or even up to 20 hours. You know, our body can't make vitamin C on its own, and especially in these times, vitamin C is so important to keep your immunity up, and that's where Zespri Kiwis come in. I also love the fact that they have over 20 minerals in them, plus all that fiber. See, our cheesecake is ready. I'm going to run a knife around the edges to just loosen it lightly and then remove the cheesecake from the pan. Top it up with sliced Zespri Sun Gold and green kiwis and a little whipped cream around the edges. to make things look really pretty. Love Zespri kiwis? Make sure to participate in their amazing contest that's running on LBB pages. All you have to do is tell us who is your vitamin C, that one person who always keeps you going. So head over to LBB's Facebook and Instagram pages, participate in this contest and win an exclusive Zespri hamper. I hope you enjoyed this recipe.